Jamaica yard life. I'm open about another day. Well, a night. Yeah, man. But you know the energy go. I'm there meeting. Yeah, man. They are farmers meeting. It's a blessing. Yeah, man. Real charge. Progressive youth ever up and about and I do the right thing. You see me? Yeah, man. Don't watch the wrap up. When I depend on the negative energy. Yeah. Just I keep off like a bit of the sun. Because right now the sun is not cold like where you are. Yeah, man. But you know what, bro? This is hard. Really hard life. I tell you, say, get up, get about, and do the right thing. And remember, man, always walk with the Most High. Yeah, man. It's a blessed day. I'm up and about. In the countryside, you know me already. Always keeping it vibrant, you know? Yes, man. But come my yard with me. I'm going to show you around. Yeah, man. You know me already. Always do the right thing. Blessings every time, man. You know me already, up and about in the countryside is a blessed day. Yes, man. The place look vibrant as usual. Beautiful. Yeah, man. But you know me already. Just the air soak up all of the niceness. Yeah, man. And this is one of the main reasons, or this is one of the reasons why I just love my country. Yeah, man. Yeah, with my classmate, you know. Yeah, man, as I tell you them, ever do the one right thing. Football there.
Yeah, right way.
Oh, you like more?
Right way. Might not look good this morning. The right way, though.
Yeah, man, I eat, man. We're in a hilltop, you know. Yeah, man, they are Cedar Valley, you see me? And you know the hills go, always pretty. Yeah, man. So we're there, I do the match. I go up the hills still. Yeah, man, and people I go home. So hopefully when I forward back, we can make a link and then chat again, you see me? You know the energy. One love, one heart, every time. Get up, get about, and do the right thing. Yes, man. Wake up this morning and see the general saying, come, hola. Nice exercise. Yeah, man, general saying, I do some laps, you know, warm up. We're there on the hillside, you know, and trust me, cool. But me not the hills, you know, and this is it for now. Yes, man. Whoa. Can remember the days them chatting through this place, you know? Yeah, man, as a youngster growing up, you have to take on the road. Yeah, man. Whoa. Memories, you know? A lot of memories. But you know, a yard today. So once a day a yard, there is always something special. Yes, man. Tommy! Oh, go on, man. Me there upon your block, you know. There upon your block. Blessings, blessings. Ah, daddy. A bicycle be alright, you know. Yeah, man. So you know energy. Yeah, man. Tommy there in the hills, you know. Take time and run through. It's a blessing. Yeah, man. You know me ever dip on the go, you see me? Yeah, man. I dip on my skate. I'm at Valley School. It's a blessed morning, you know? Yes, man. Whoa. I take time running. Everybody good there wonder, say, what me there? Oh, I'm not going to open up shop. But you know me already. I have to go up on my morning walk. You see me? So I have to make time, you see? So if somebody case me wake up from extremely early. Yeah, man. But I follow with it. Know that bus there, know how much time I sit down there, so I wait for a bus. Sometime in forward, sometime in even come. Yeah, man, but that's how it goes still. Yeah, man. Nothing like getting up and getting about, you know. Getting the opportunity to soak up some of the country energy. Yeah, man. You know we have to work, you know. Yeah, man, we have to do what we have to do to survive. Isn't me, but other than that, I always try my best to enjoy this niceness. Yeah, man. You can't have so much in the countryside and I enjoy it. Trust me, it's a blessing. Yeah, man. Time to come. I want to get in a proper skate, you know. Yeah, man, somewhere fitter so it can take me far. So I can show you all a lot more, a whole lot more of the countryside, you see. Yeah, man, and this is just a tip of the iceberg. Just a tip of it. You see me? But need some time. We're going to see what's popping. Yeah, man. Once me up and about, anywhere me there, well, possibly anywhere me there, and me can take you all with me. Yeah, man. The rest I got carry you. Yeah, man. I'll carry you all. Yes, man. Show you around my little block, you know. Show you around my little island, and trust me, Jamaica nice, you know. Yeah, man. It depends on how you view it, you see it. But for me, nothing like the countryside, man. In a real life. Yes, man. Bridging, me gonna catch up with him, you know. Tommy is a hard working man, you know. Ever up and about in the countryside. Yeah, man, me there, daddy. Yeah, man, you have to take time and stroll, you know. Yeah, tell you. Little do it, man.
Yeah, man.
We're there with Elder Tommy. Yeah, man, it's a blessed morning. Yeah, man, Jamaica yard life, you know.
Yeah, man. Tough, me I tell you, man.
Yeah, right. Life, you know. Come catch Tommy early this morning. See, yes, man. Whole heap of mud. Whole heap of mud in the countryside, you know. Wow. Yo. I have to just take time and stroke through. Hey, Tommy, me never know see so much mud up here, you know. Me I tell you, I turn back down and come back down to school, you know. Yeah, me that plan to go there, but boy, I want to day me have to go there. Yeah, man, because I ain't prepare for so much mud. You know, I tell you. Oh. Yeah. Uh-huh. I never know, man. Man.
Well, we just go on and, you know?
Yeah, we have to do what we have to do same way. Yeah, man. Little do it. Yeah. Most naturally. So, we have to just give thanks. Yeah, man. Because out there, so we are coming from Sipling now, man. Now, I tell you. I have just a course. Man. Yeah, man, we're on the road from Cedar Valley, you know. Yes, man. From Valley School, Cedar Valley School, and you know me already. I always find myself some weird spot in the countryside. Cause country nice, you know. It's a blessing. Yeah, man, but I know me ever up and about. Yeah, man, keeping it positive, you know. Most naturally. Yeah, man. Go and reach down. I have to go with a proper wash down. I mean, I tell you, mud. No, man. I never know there's so much mud there. Nah, in real life, bro. But I said that. Hey, Tommy. I have to watch you more there, no? Nah, man. Yeah, man. Sure. Boom, good shit. Yo, me say by reach dog more up here. Yo. Nah, tell you, man. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And come up. Yeah. I know, funny enough, I just, you see, try bicycle me and work with Tommy, that make me can't come my hills more often, you know. Yeah, man. Rough. Yeah, man, I just a matter of time if you get a skate, you know. Put in the work, just a put in the work.